So guys, on this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your Respondent.io account from beginning to the end and how you can use it to make money. So I will show you from the starting to the end. This video it will be a little bit long, but you just need to watch the video from the beginning to the end if you are struggling to create your Respondent.io account. So as you can see on the screen here, this is Respondent.io. So what I need to do, I'm going to show you how you can create your Respondent account, and I'm going to show you how you can use it to make money online. I will show you two ways that you can start using to make money with this website, which is called Respondent.io. I have made a video about this website a lot of time, but I just say let me still make video about it just to share it again to my users or my followers or my subscribers on YouTube here. So guys, just watch everything and you are going to know everything you need to know on this video. This is 2025 and a lot of people don't still know how they can set up their account on this website, which is called Respondent.io. I want you to pay attention on this video because that is how you know how everything works and how you can use it to make money online. Once you land on Respondent.io, this is what you are going to be seeing on the screen here. So this is how the website look like, and that is how it look like. So what you need to do, you need to click on the section where it said get started. If you are a new user, if you are not a new user, you're already an old user, you can click on the section where it said login. So you need to click on the section where it said get started if you are new. So once you click on it, it's going to open this up. It's going to say Respondent.io, create an account. What type of account do you want to create? Researcher or participant? Let me explain the two of them to you. Researcher are people who is publishing tasks that me and you are using to make money if you want to make money. While participant are the people who is completing the task and getting paid. These people here, which is researcher, they are the one listing the job for people who want to make money. That is how the both of them work. So if you want to publish things like you have a business you are trying to run, you want people to tell you what they think about your business, you can go there and you pay people to do that research for you, just to give them their honest opinion. And we here, we are not doing anything. Only what we are just doing is to complete a particular task and get paid in return by doing this. I hope you get the understanding of the both of them. Participants are people who get paid. Researcher are people who pay participants. So they list their job, which is researcher, and participants get paid. I'm repeating it again so that you understand the both of them when you want to create your account, so that you know if you want to make money, you can create an account with participants. If you want to create job for people, you can create an account as a researcher. So that is the difference between the two accounts. So we are going to create an account and make money. So I want to earn money by participating in user research. Click on that. So once you click on it, it's going to open up here. So what I need to do is to fill up the screen here. So I'll just fill everything up now. I'll enter Chris. I'll enter Nelson. Chris Nelson. Here I'm going to enter my email. So on this one, you can enter your own email account, which is Gmail. Then later you can enter your work email. One thing I want to say here that people are finding difficult, when you are creating your Respondent.io account, their company or their team here is requesting that their users should have a business Gmail account. If you don't know how to get it, you can watch this video that is going to pop up right now. It's going to show you how you can get your business email account. It's very simple to get it, but you are paying money for that. That is one thing that I want to say. You are paying money to get a work email. I don't know any other way that you need to use to get a work email. I don't know them. People might tell you there's a free way, but at the end of the day, they are still going to be charging you money. And at the end of the day, that is why I'm being transparent here. To get a work email, you need to pay to get it, and it's monthly basis. Because work email come with website package. If you have a website, then your work email you can get it for free. But if you don't have a website, you are going to be paying to a particular company for them to give you a work email, which you can get from a hosting provider. So what you need to do here, I want to go to the platform that I have created my website on to get my work email. So I'm going to go here. You can see I created my website on Hostinger, and from there I can get a work email for free. So as you can see here, this is now the work email that I want to use, which is this one. I want to see if I have not used it. I will click on that, and it's going to bring us to this place. I'm going to copy this my work email. You can see I'm using it as a testing work email. So now that I've copied it, go back to respondent.io and paste it here. So now that I've pasted it, I will click on the section where it said agree to Respondent terms and condition and privacy policy. So I've clicked on that, I've agreed to it. And now that I've agreed to it, I will click on the section where it said create account. So let me click on that. And now that I've clicked on that, it's going to take us to the next page here. So what we need to do now is to enter our password. So I'm going to enter the password that I want. So now that I've entered the password that I want, the next thing I want to do is to enter the phone number that I want to use. So I will click here and I will select the phone number of the country that I want to use. So I want to use US as the country that I'm from. So I will go and I will look for United States. So is what I'm looking for. So now that I've selected my country, which is United States, the next thing I will enter my phone number. So let me enter my phone number now. So now that I've entered my phone number here, what I need to do now is to enter my date of birth. I will click on that and I will enter my date of birth here. Choose the month and choose the date. So as you can see, I have entered my everything here, which is my first name, last name, my email address. You can see my password, my phone number, and my date of birth. And I will click on the section where it said continue. And once you click on continue, ask if you want to save this, your email and phone number. I will click on save just for it to help me whenever I want to log in. So the next thing, we need to fill up the next session. The next session is 3 sessions here. You can see which is we are going to do from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the session we are going to follow up now. So here you are going to choose your gender. I'm a male. Here you can choose your what did they call it? Ethnicity. Click on it. We are going to say black or Africa America. I'll click on black or Africa America. Here you are going to say what is the higher level of education that you are. So here you are going to choose your educational level. So I'm going to click on high school graduate, and here you say what is your household income. Here is optional. You don't need to enter anything. It's optional. When they write optional, means that you don't need to enter this information. Is a choice. Either you enter things or you don't enter anything. So that is what they are letting you to know here. So you can click here and enter whatever that you want to enter. So I'm just going to enter like a 40 grand. You know, it's optional. It just depends on you. Whenever they say optional, you can leave it or enter something. So I will click on next. The next section is say get match with project in your location. So we are going to enter the location of where we are right now. So I'm going to click on it. I will put New York. Put New York, NY, USA, which is New York, and you click on continue. This session we are going to fill it up again. So you can see what it's saying here. Which of the following category best describe your employment status? Click on it, and you are going to enter the status of what fits the category of who you are. I can say self-employed, which is you are the owner. So when you put self-employed, it's going to open a lot of things for you, and it's on you now to decide what you want to do. Let us say, for example, we don't do self-employed, we do this, and everything will be less. But when you click anyone, it's going to show you the same thing. So once it show you this, then you are going to say, please add up to 5 industry that are applicant to you. So here you can enter like 5. Just what you are choosing here is what they are going to use either to approve you or not to approve you. So what I need to do, I can do like, for example, biotechnology. So once you have done that, what is your level of seniority? Click on that. We can do like manager. No, just do like a manager if you know that you have experience on that, or you can do like a senior, vice. It just depends on you. Or you can do like a student. It just depends on what you want to choose. But for me, I will choose manager. And what is the next one? He said, what is the name of the company you work? You can just come here and put, for me, I'll put get income. For you, you can put the same thing, but if you have a company that you have worked on, you can enter them there. So what's the title of what your job title? You can just put here like a, for example, you can put content creator, or you can put whatever that you are. So you can just, I'll put manager here and project manager, and that is it. So here it's asking for a work email. So if you have a work email, you can enter it here. You know that I have a work email, so I will put my work email here. You say if you do not have it, you can just leave it blank. So do you have a work email? You can click here. If you don't have, you can just like off it. You say in few words, describe your role at work. You know, that is it. But for me, I have my work email. I'll just enter that and leave that here. And here where it said in few words, you should describe what you do. So you can do, for example, so this is what they are saying. I manage everything at my workplace. So that is it. And once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is to click on this section. What is the size of your company? You can click here and enter the number 1 to 10. No, just do 1 to 10. If you know them, if you don't know it, just put 1 to 10. If you know it, you can put the number there. Start typing to select and enter a key. So here you can enter these keys that you know. You can just click that content creation, marketing. When we do marketing, you can see a lot of things are going to display here. Marketing, consulting, and you can do like video blogging, or you can just do video, or we can do editor. Let's just put editor. You know, they told us to choose theory, so they will not give us a lot of options. So I will just enter that, and once I'm okay, then the next thing I need to do is to click on the section where it said continue. But what I want you to do for me is to read everything that you have entered. You saw that they ask us to choose our job category. You know, I choose self-employed and owner. But on the under here, I still came to say that I'm a manager. So I don't want you to contradict yourself. Everything that you are hearing here is just for educational purpose. Make sure that you follow up with everything and enter accurate things that is going to help you, that you think that if you enter any category of things here, those things, can they help? If they give you that type of job, will you be able to do it? So it's the things that you are going to enter here. So once you have entered everything, the next thing you need to do is to click on the section where it said continue. So once you click on continue, it's asking you for the email that you want to be using to receive your money. So what you need to do is to enter the email that you can use to receive your money. It said this is how referral get paid. So this is how you get paid for each task that you complete. So what you need to do is to enter the email that you want to be using to receive your money. So now that I've entered how I want the paper email that I want to use to receive my money, the next thing I need to do is to click on continue. So once I click on continue, it's going to bring us here, letting us know that we need to agree to the terms and conditions of this contract that we want to sign with this program. So you need to read out everything or what they are saying here. It says, please review and accept the following to proceed. You don't need to create multiple accounts with this website, which is called Respondent.io. So your account might get banned. So once you are okay with the code of conduct agreement, you need to click on the section where it said agree. So once you click on agree, you are going to take you to the home page where you are going to enter your profile information, and you are going to follow up with the next things that you want to complete. You can see what it's saying. It says, hi dear Respondent is a place to earn money by sharing your insight with world-leading companies. Let's get started with a quick tour of Respondent to set you up for your first project. So you can click here to continue if you want them to show you around Respondent.io, or you can just click on the section where it said skip. Let us say, for example, we click on here. It's going to just show us, tour us around and show us the menu if you want to search for things. Look at what he's saying here. Select 3 topics to get started. We will start curating your project list based on your selection. So once you are select all the category of topic of what you think that you can do, like social media, business, and let us say you can do, for example, home and garden. Once you have selected it, you just need to scroll down here and you need to click on the section where it said continue. So let me click business and social media. So once you have done that, you need to come here and you click on this icon here where it said continue. So once it brings you here, what you need to do is to verify your email. So click on verify email and you need to go and check your work email. So let us go to my work email inbox. So as you can see, I have received a welcome email from Respondent.io here. And if we go back again, you can see that I have received a email to confirm my email. I will click on that and it's going to let us know that our email has been verified. And you can see your work email has been verified. So the next thing we need to do is to verify our phone number. Click on that and we need to click on the verification. They are going to send us a code. So they have sent us a code. What I need to do now is to enter my code here. So I'll enter 1913 038. So now my phone number has been verified. So they are telling us to enter a profile photo. So I will click on that, click on this to enter a profile photo, I will enter this, for example, not this. I will look for one of my photos here, which is this one for profile. I will click on this and I will click on save. So now that I've done that, it has been set. So the next thing we need to do is to enter our LinkedIn account. So I can go to my LinkedIn here, come to LinkedIn, and I will copy my profile link, which is this one. Click on that and go back to Respondent.io, click on LinkedIn and paste it. You can see that you can add in your Facebook, Twitter, and every other page. So I will click on that and I will click on save. And as you can see, it has been added. And this one where it said verify email, click on that. And they are going to, it say required to apply to project. So I have clicked on that. Go back to your work email inbox, which is this one here, and click on that. So that is the email they sent to me now. So as you can see, my Respondent.io profile is set now. This section where it said add a personal video introduction. This is optional for me. It's optional for me. You don't need to do this if you know you are not good in camera. You don't need to do this. So that is what I think here. So for this one, I will not do it. But if you want to do it, you just need to click on it and they are going to allow you to record a video, or you can record it in webcam and post it directly. It just depends on how you want to do it. So that is how you can create your account with this website, which is called Respondent.io. So now you know how you can create your account with Respondent.io. I show you from start to the end, everything you know now, how you can create your account. You will not come to me tomorrow to say, I don't know how to create my account, and etc. etc. So you know everything now. So the next thing, what you have to do now is to start making money. So how do you make money with Respondent.io is what I'm going to show you now. So let us say, for example, you can see all those. Let me show you all those icons here. Here you will see if you are communicating with any Respondent.io researcher, one of them, you will be seeing it here. And where it said my project, you'll be seeing the project that you have completed, the one that they disapprove, the one that they approve. You'll be seeing it here. And the section where it said referral, this session, you'll be able to refer people to Respondent.io and get paid. This is one of the way that you can use to make money with Respondent.io. You refer people to Respondent.io, you get paid by doing this. On the last session where it said my account, that is where you find your account details, which you already know. Once you click on it to open up, and you will see all your account details. On the help center session, this is where you'll be able to start contacting Respondent.io if you have any problem and all those stuff. So you can contact them here. So that is everything that just concerns a short review about Respondent.io and how you can use it to make money. So how can you use Respondent to make good amount of money online, which is by completing tasks? Click here and it's going to open up. So once it opens up, those are the tasks that you can start completing and get paid. Let me show you. You can see these tasks here. You are going to get paid $5 if you do these tasks for them. Discover your fast food experience. So they want to hear what you think about fast food and what are your experience about what you think, if it's good or not good. So those are companies that is selling food. They want to know what people think about fast food. You can see here seeking educational facilities and administrative professional. That is what they are seeking here. And they are saying that they are going to pay this person, if you complete it, at $275 in one-on-one conversation in a duration of 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. This one here, the same thing, they are going to pay you $60 if you complete this task. This one, $140. This one, $100. This one, $20. This one, $200. You can see it keeps on going. It keeps on going. And more is going, the price is increasing. When we click on see more task is going to open up, more you find more options that you can use to make money with this website. What you just need to do is to be good in what you are going to answer. And at the end of the day, you are going to get paid. Like what they said, Respondent.io. Apply to project or task that you are good at. Don't apply to things that you are not good at, because at the end of the day, you are going to go and give those companies a false information and they might not approve you. If you are not approved, you are not going to be getting paid. It's when you complete the task properly, that is how you get paid with this website, which is called Respondent.io. I hope that I explained everything to you guys on this video. If you have any question, you can leave me the question in the comment section and I will reply to you guys. I will say thank you. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys on my next upcoming video, a way or how you can make money online. See you soon, guys, and peace out.